I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here live with Overstock. So we increased the price target after the recent trade signal that was given precisely here. The share price plunged, and as I announced, you shall remain invested or buying on weakness according to the trend in place. There was no violation of the trend, and we recommended buying back here. In fact, I didn't raise the price target. The price target, it was, or the upside, it was already there, $128. So today, again, we reduce the investment in Overstock, okay? And this because the stock, meanwhile, soared $50 per share plus, okay? So establishing new highs. And therefore, I recommend to reduce the investment. Notice that we gave a price target 128. And this price target, it was already available from there, okay?